Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best girl toys is probably one of the most challenging tasks for parents, but also one of the most rewarding. Finding the perfect toy that sparks their imagination, encourages creativity, and promotes social-emotional development can make all the difference in their growth. This video will help you navigate the world of toys for 9-year-old girls, offering insights and recommendations to make your selection process easier and more enjoyable. We will explore various categories of toys, considering factors such as age appropriateness, educational value, and, most importantly, the child's unique interests and personality. Number 5. DIY Ice Cream Slime Kit. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for kids? This DIY ice cream slime kit provides hours of sensory play, letting them create their own butter, cloud, and foam slimes. It's a great way to spark their creativity and imagination. This kit includes everything you need to make amazing slimes. With 31 fun pieces, it's perfect for kids aged 7 and up. It's an ideal birthday gift or a fun activity for any occasion. Kids can squish, shape, and decorate their slime creations with sprinkles, just like real ice cream. It's a fantastic way to tap into their creativity and enjoy endless fun. Make crafting a delightful experience with this slime kit. It lets you create tantalizing slimes in your favorite ice cream colors and scents. Don't forget the cherry on top. This kit makes slime making easy and enjoyable for kids aged 7 to 12. The step-by-step instructions make it simple for everyone to create fun and unique ice cream slimes. What we like? It's a complete kit with everything needed for hours of creative fun. If you are looking for a gift that encourages imaginative play and sensory exploration, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love to craft and create their own unique slime designs. What people say. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. Each type of slime has its own texture and feel, making it fun for kids to experiment and see the different results. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. The kit comes with everything needed to make the slimes, including colorants, foam beads, and scent options. The slime you make per the directions does actually feel like butter slime. Number 4. Amitié Lane's Silly Scented Markers. Introducing a magical art set designed to spark your child's imagination. It's filled with scented markers, crayons, and more, all in a beautiful unicorn case. This set boasts a wide variety of pens, jumbo markers, fine markers, twistable crayons, and glitter gel pens. Each one has its own fun, silly smell. With 44 pens in total, they'll have endless possibilities for drawing, coloring, and doodling. Plus, it includes scented stickers and downloadable coloring pages. Download the Itsy Unicorns World app and scan the case to unlock an augmented reality experience. It's a fully interactive 3D world that will amaze them. The sturdy unicorn case keeps everything organized with zippered compartments and a carry handle. It's perfect for travel and versatile enough for other uses. This set makes a fantastic birthday gift or a special treat. It's safe, fun, and encourages creativity for hours of play. What we like? This set has a huge variety of pens and a fun unicorn theme. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys arts and crafts, this is a great choice. The augmented reality feature adds an extra layer of fun and engagement. What people say. The case the marker set comes in is perfect. It's made of quality materials, and the Velcro that keeps it closed is strong enough to actually keep it closed. The set comes with a really great variety of markers, crayon pens, slim markers, and gel pens. The markers have a nice fruity smell without being overpowering like other brands. The gel pens have caps that actually fit on them so they don't dry out. The slim markers hold up to a bit of drawing pressure without the tip breaking. The crayons are in plastic marker cases so you don't have to worry about broken crayon pieces or scraps of crayon labels everywhere. This art set storage is so smart and useful. The crayons or pastels that come with it are the smoothest crayons we've ever used. Number 3. Purple Ladybug DIY Jewelry Box. Get ready for a fun and sparkly crafting experience. This kit has everything you need to decorate your own unique jewelry box. It all starts with a beautiful, solid wooden jewelry box. It's the perfect size to hold all your favorite treasures. With over 1,500 colorful gems, you can customize it with your own unique designs. Let your imagination run wild. It includes non-toxic glue and gloves, making it safe and fun for everyone. It's a worry-free crafting experience. This is a thoughtful gift that encourages creativity and fine motor skills. It's perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. The finished jewelry box is not only beautiful but also durable, with strong hinges and plenty of space for your jewelry. It will last for years to come. What we like? It's a creative kit to make a personalized jewelry box. If you're looking for a gift that combines crafting with a practical keepsake, this is perfect. The safe, non-toxic materials make it a worry-free activity for kids. Number 2. Hapinest Clay Jewelry Kit. It's time to get crafty. This kit has everything you need to make your own unique jewelry. Mix and match the 8 colors of polymer clay to create custom shades. The possibilities are endless. With pendants, charms, beads, and more, you can design bracelets and necklaces that reflect your style. It includes all the tools you'll need, plus simple instructions to guide you through the process. It's a fun and creative gift for girls who love arts and crafts. A screen-free activity they'll adore. Make 6 stunning pieces of jewelry to keep or share with friends. It's the perfect way to express your personality. What we like? This kit lets you create custom jewelry. If your child enjoys making things and expressing their creativity, this is a great option. It's a fun and engaging way to create unique accessories. What people say? It's beautiful and well designed, and the jewelry was of good quality. This craft allows children to make beautiful handcrafted clay jewelry. Great for them to make gifts for friends and family. My daughter loved making the clay beads so much, I had to buy a second box. Number 1. Flooyes Dance Mat Toy. It features a fun, light-up dance surface with 6 buttons. This makes following the flashing arrows easy and improves dance coordination. With 5 different game modes, it's a great way for kids to improve their eye-foot coordination while having fun. It includes a Simon Says memory game and a drumming mode. Connect it to your favorite music via Bluetooth or use the built-in melodies. It has 3 languages to choose from, so there's always something new to dance to. Made from soft, non-woven fabric with anti-slip backing, it's safe and easy to clean. It meets CPSIA and ASTM safety standards. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. Give the gift of dance and hours of fun. For best results, use new AA batteries, not included. Remember to remove the batteries after use to protect the battery compartment. What we like? It's an interactive dance mat with multiple games. If you are looking for an active and fun gift that gets kids moving and grooving, this is a great choice. The Bluetooth connectivity adds versatility and allows for personalized playlists. What people say? Even a month later, they still take it out and play different levels. They love to dance and follow the lights and play the memorization game and make their own noises in another level. It has a variety of games and modes, of increasing difficulty, so they can each play at an appropriate challenge level. The dance mat for kids is a fun, engaging, and active way for children to play. Whether for a party, a rainy day, or a regular play session, it's a great way to encourage movement and fitness while having a blast. The combination of exercise and entertainment makes it a worthwhile investment for both kids and parents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.